Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my videos. In this video we are going to talk about how you can feel better, be healthier and overall live a better life. Because today I'm going to share my thoughts from the book How to Make Diseases Disappear by Dr. Chatterjee. So let's jump right into the video. But before we jump right into it, please hit the like button if you get value from this video. Please hit the subscribe if you want to see more. And please write down in the comment section below what you think about it. The number one takeaway, or the first takeaway, is kind of overall how the book is laid out. So we have a lot of diseases that is caused by lifestyles. So by changing our lifestyles, we can fix or we can cure all the lifestyle diseases we have today, also called chronic diseases. So you have to see your body as a machine. So if you don't have assembled the machine properly, so it will function right, then you will not get a good outcome. You will have it crashing, you will have it errors making, you will have it stop running at some random point, and that's the same for our body. If you don't give the right amount of nutrients, sleep and movement, your body will not work properly and it will start giving you some pains, you will feel sick and get all sort of diseases and problems. And here coming down to 4 pillars that we are about to go through, which is relax, eat, move and sleep. So let's get right into those. Pillar 1, relax. So we need to give ourselves some time each day to relax. So it's no phone, no social media, so our brains can have some time to relax and don't take all the signals and everything in from notifications, everything, because the whole society and with social media and all these notifications and signals, it can cause a lot of stress, both like physical stress, emotional stress, and also nutritional stress if we don't eat right. And to understand like what stress is basically just where our body goes into survival mode. But you don't want to be in survival mode all day, because it's like the fight and flight response. So to get out of the stress mode, survival mode, we want to relax and just completely detach from all social media, phones and everything. No electronics, just kind of be with yourself, be with your own thoughts, so you can slow down a bit. So a way to do this can, for example, be maybe 1 hour, 20 minutes before bed, or maybe 1 hour and 20 minutes after you wake up, that you don't look at your phone at all. So you can start with maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, kind of like what is possible for you to do. And for example, I was doing like, I didn't look at my phone for 1 hour when I wake up, and it actually enhanced my awareness. So I got more aware about things around me. I didn't have the distractions, and sometimes I will forget my phone for 4 hours and actually not looking at it, because it's just out of your mind and you have a very relaxed and chill morning. Is diet. So it's actually what you're eating in a day. So if you look at all the research, you will see that there's something called blue zones, where they have the fewest amounts of chronic diseases, Alzheimer's and stuff like that, and actually those who live the longest. And it actually shows that they are eating fresh food, they're only eating meat, vegetables, fruit. They eat what is in season, and they have cut out all junk food and processed food. So a good rule of thumb is that everything with more than 5 ingredients is processed food. So you don't want to touch it, or at least try to avoid it as much as you can. But to start eating healthier, you just want to make it very simple for you, because it's very hard in the beginning, because you have to learn a lot of new recipes and how you use all the different vegetable seasoning to give a different taste. So just make it simple in the beginning. Maybe start adding a fruit to your day. Maybe change your breakfast, because that's usually the easiest to change, and it's a bit more simple because you just mostly eat the same every day. And it will probably you're probably right now eating cereal, maybe a bread roll with some Nutella, or something like that. Are not that healthy, and you will actually be able to find some simple recipes uh, where you can get some healthy breakfast. So it can, for example, be overnight oats, where you take a jar and you fill it with some Greek yogurt. You can then you fill it with some oats, and you can fill it with different berries, and change it up for day to day. And you actually have some quick to breakfast to go. So even though if you're busy, like you can do it one night before, and then you have it ready for multiple days. But yeah, otherwise, like just use YouTube to try to find a healthy breakfast recipes, and then you will see a lot of people showing you how you can make healthy recipes. So it's kind of like just starting slowly, build a base up slowly and steady. And I would say, like, yeah, we have all these diets from vegan, vegetarian, keto, carnivore, like, and my okay. So what's your take from one of those? Like, they're all like good and bad in their own ways. So the best thing you can do, just start with eating everything. So for meat, vegetables, and fruit, and just try to cut out all the junk, because then you will start after a month or so feel a lot better, and you kind of come over uh, the feeling that, whoa, I'm feeling good now. I got a lot of energy from the food I eat, and so on. And then you can maybe start experimenting with one of the other diets to see in which spectrum you are working best. The third pillar is movement. So it's not about going to the gym for 1 hour, but how can we move throughout the whole day? Because 1 hour don't give a lot when we sit down for like 8 hours a day. So it's just as simple as just walk more. Like if you go into an apartment building, office building, if there's a elevator, it actually been shown that 90% will take the elevator instead of the stairs. So that's one of the things. Like instead of taking the elevator, take the stairs. If you are sitting at your desk, instead of sending an email to someone that's 3 rows down in the office, then get up and walk down to ask what you need, or depending on what it is. So there's some ways you can incorporate it. So don't think like you have to change how you do routines and everything. Just like the same day, like the usual day you go through, like just look at it, how can you add more walking into it? Like in which places could you maybe walk instead of just just sending an email, taking the elevator. Maybe like if you're living 10 minutes away from your job, take the bike instead. Maybe go take the walk instead, and just like simply walk more, because walking is not like that physical of a requirement for your body, so you can do it a lot and get a lot in with just walking. The fourth pillar is sleep, and probably the one that is mostly underrated. Sleep is so important for your own body, or for your body, because you can kind of see, like, sleep is actually here where we upgrade kind of our body. We upgrade it, and we starting like out where you go through all the memories and experience for the day, and then you can like see, like, you have people in your brain that's just starting. Okay, we had to archive this with this file, and this with this file, so it's just starting archiving everything, and then you start building up like healing maybe one parts of your body so it kind of functions properly again, and it kind of start working and optimizing your whole body and also your memory. And that's kind of one thing you experience, is that you start to remember better if you actually get your sleep. So when we get our sleep, it's very important that we sleep the right amount, but also that we sleep at the right time. But mostly important, just sleep at the same time every day, inclusive weekends. So on average, people will need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Your best bet is just start right in the middle. Try to just get 8 hours of sleep. Okay, do I need more? Maybe add 30 minutes extra, so you sleep 8 hours and 30 minutes, and just try to adjust it accordingly as you see. Oh, I maybe need a little bit more energy. Oh, I actually got too much energy for the day, so maybe turn it a little bit down. How much you can sleep, because you can actually sleep too much too. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. As said, please hit the like and subscribe button and comment down below. See you in the next one. Peace!